Innovative photography gadgets for stunning shot. Welcome to Tech Prior. Your camera system can benefit greatly from the addition of photography accessories. These photographic accessories are compatible with your camera system or the device you use for your smartphone. In either case, adding a camera accessory can make the photographs you take more fascinating to viewers. Additionally, they are wonderful presents for photographers in your life. It is difficult to choose a favorite device when there is such a large variety available. It opens up a wide variety of fascinating options while eliminating the need for costly and space-consuming studio lighting. In this video, we are going to discuss a few photography tools and gadgets. Number 9. The Narbox 2. The Narbox is one example of a portable backup device for digital photos. There are also other options. The most significant distinction between the Narbox and a typical, unremarkable external hard drive is that the Narbox enables you to organize and edit your photos and movies on the go, even raw files, using your mobile device. You may finally leave your cumbersome laptop at home since you can now use your phone in the same capacity as an editing suite. That's quite sweet. Number 8. Printing device, Canon Selfie. The proof of the picture is in the printing, but printers are typically not portable. Thus, the process of turning your digital photographs into prints typically takes place a significant amount of time after the original capture. You can utilize instant film and an instant camera. However, if you are shooting digital images and want to share 4x6 prints almost immediately, the Canon Selfie CP1300 compact printer is your most inventive alternative. This printer enables you to print photos at virtually the speed of light. It works wonderfully for social gatherings and parties. When was the last time you passed along a print to someone else? Number 7. Parabolic umbrella angler with parasail sail. Since the beginning of using artificial lighting for photography, the photo umbrella has been a standard tool for controlling the way light falls on subjects. When I was a kid, I remember that my father would take family pictures by posing my siblings and me with silver umbrellas. With the introduction of the Parasail parabolic umbrella, Angler has revolutionized the umbrella by giving it an unconventional design that makes it far more adaptable. In addition to the fact that you may modify the reflecting surface to better suit your requirements, the design of the Parasail enables you to use it in locations where a conventional umbrella would never be able to be set up. Number 6. On-camera LED light from Luxley, model Viola 2. You have an infinite number of creative lighting options available to you with artificial lighting for your camera. Unfortunately, the majority of lighting systems only perform a single function until additional accessories are added. The Luxley Viola 2 on-camera LED light is an accessory that comes built-in with a variety of creative accessories. We took a look behind the scenes at the video production process that Luxley used to create a film that demonstrates the adaptability of the lighting system by employing a small number of the original violas. The video was made by Luxley. Have a look at it and think about the imaginative pictures you could take with the Luxley Viola or its bigger brother, the Luxley Cello, which is 10 inches longer. Number 5. Collapsible Angler LED softbox with Angler. LED light panels are creating a paradigm shift in the market for photographic lighting. LEDs have been slowly gaining popularity over the past few years because of their lightweight, powerful, and cool-to-the-touch characteristics. However, the light can be quite harsh at times. You don't need to worry because Angler has developed a collapsible softbox that can be used with your 12x12-inch LED or 6x12 LED panel lights. It does not require a speed ring or any other attachment mechanism, and it shrinks into a small storage bag, allowing your LED panel setup to remain extremely portable. Additionally, it comes with an optional grid that can be used for directing the light. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Number 4. Splat Migo. In many different kinds of photography, tripods are necessary. However, even with portable tripods and tabletop tripods, the size and heaviness of the package are the single largest deterrent to having them with you at all times. This is especially true for videographers. The Migo Splat Pro Flexible Mini Tripod is your new best friend. When you want to steady your rig for that spur-of-the-moment night landscape image, the biggest splat can carry up to 5.3 pounds, which is plenty of support for a wide variety of camera and lens combinations. The flexible device allows you to wrap it around poles and other structures, and the two smaller variants are suited for carrying lighter loads than the larger version. Number 3. Loupedeck, a photographic editing console compatible with Lightroom 6 and Creative Cloud. Do you recall how to tune the analog AM, FM stereos that you used to have in your home and car? If I understand correctly, you changed the channel by turning the dials. These days, we adjust sliders on a computer screen by dragging them with the help of a computer mouse. Where can I find the dial's previously fantastic user interface? With Loupedeck's customized USB system, which allows you to put post-processing controls into a physical arrangement of knobs and buttons, you are provided with the ability to regain that tactile control. The Loupedeck Creative Tool and the Loupedeck Plus Photo and AMP video editing consoles both come equipped with a user interface that is focused on video, catering specifically to individuals who are active in the field of videography. If you do a lot of editing, these devices could potentially speed up your workflow, while also making it more pleasant for you to use them. Number 2. Intuos Tablet from Wacom. There is a good chance that the Wacom Intuos Pro Pen Tablet is an accessory that you did not realize you required until it was too late. Before any of us learned how to type, we were all taught how to write. In addition, I believe that the majority of us learned how to draw before we were taught how to take photographs. The computer mouse is now more ergonomic, precise, and intuitive than it has ever been. However, the act of holding a pen comes more easily and comfortably to the majority of us. When you combine it with the adaptability and pressure-sensitive precision of the Wacom, you get a tool that completely changes the game for people who invest a significant amount of time in post-processing their photographs. Number 1. A color and light meter called the Lumu Power 2. Light meters, much like tripods, are really helpful tools, but because many of us want to travel as lightly as possible, we don't always carry them with us. The Lumu Power 2 Color and AMP light meter is a light meter that can be attached to your iPhone or iPad as long as it has a lightning port and is compatible with it. This is a continuation of a popular trend that was made possible by the power of smartphones. In addition to that, it has a color temperature reading, which is a unique function that is often only available on high-end color and light meters. So this is the end of our today's video. Do you like it? Kindly give your valuable response in our comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting and informative videos.